Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the duplicate apps on Android. So let's get started. Restarting your device. Firstly, try restarting your Android device. It can help start a fresh session, free from bugs, and might resolve the app duplication issue you're facing. Disabling app cloning. If you have the app cloning feature, consider turning it off. In your device settings, navigate to Apps, find App Cloner, select the app with cloning turned on, and disable the Create App Clone toggle. Updating the app. If the duplication problem stems from the app itself, try updating it. Head to the Play Store, check for app updates, download and install. Check if the icon duplication issue persists. Checking for malware. Be cautious of malware. Download Malwarebytes and perform a complete scan. Malware might be compromising your app icons, and it's crucial to address the security concern. Clearing cache. Clear cache files to eliminate any conflicts. Long tap on the duplicating icon, go to App Info, tap on Storage Usage, and finally, clear the cache. This should help resolve icon duplication. Updating Android version. Ensure your Android version is up to date. A glitch or bug might be causing the issue, and a system update can potentially fix it. Check for updates in Settings, then About Device. Uninstalling third-party launchers. If you use third-party launchers, consider uninstalling and reinstalling them from the Play Store. Note that you may lose your home screen setup unless you back up the app data. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.